Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen T-ROC. This is the 1.6 litre diesel R-Line and it's finished in the lovely pure white paint. With it being the R-Line, you do have the 19-inch Suzuka alloy wheels. They give it a really sporty look. It really suits the car as well. And you have got all the nice silver detailing, so around the window and the roof rails and the rear tinted windows as well. Round to the back you can see the car is in a lovely condition, covered just over 17,500 miles from new. Inside the boot you can see there's a really good space boot. And if you lift up the underneath you've got the spare wheel too, so you know you're covered if you do ever get a puncture while you're out and about. Now the car is 5-door, so it's perfect if you've got kids or passengers you'll be taking around in the car. Inside there's a really good space and you've got the lovely carbon flag cloth. It's in a really nice condition as well. So we'll get in and I'll show you some of the features this car has on the inside. So inside you've got the Discover Navigation infotainment system here with the touchscreen. You have got the sat-nav built in, really good size screen and clear and easy to read. And you've got the digital cockpit as well, so you can able to put the nav on there, so it just helps to keep your eyes a little bit more focused on the road. You've also got the DAB digital radio for all your music. And you've also got the App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you have. Another great feature is the front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for keeping your lovely car nice and safe while you're parking. And you have got the driver mode selection as well, so you can change the mode depending on how you want the car to feel while you're driving. Underneath you've got your 2-zone climate control. It has got the heated front seats as well, so it's perfect in the colder weather to keep you nice and warm. And the car is manual. You've also got the electronic parking brake with auto hold and 2 handy cup holders. Along the dash you've got the lovely glossy grey insert, it runs along the door as well. And I'll just give you a close-up of the cloth. As you can see you've got your R-Line embroidery and they're in a really nice condition. There's no marks or tears in the fabric. Over to your steering wheel, it is multifunction. You have got the adaptive cruise control with lane assist, so it's perfect if you spend a lot of time on the motorway. And you've got the digital cockpit there for all your instrument cluster. To the right you've got your automatic headlights. And you've got electrically heated and folding door mirrors that give you that extra security when you park on narrow roads. So the car comes with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty, 2 keys, and it'll be fully serviced prior to handover. If you need any further information, please just give us a call. Thank you.